It's February 18th, 2014, current time 11:22 GMT. Jay Meisler here with the daily Forex trading outlook from GBI Forex on global-view.com. It's a market of, it's a little bipolar today. You see the euro bid mainly out of its crosses. The dollar's up against just about everything else except for the Swiss franc, which is holding against the euro a little over 122. Dollar yen is firmer. Sterling extended its slide, but note that it stopped above the pivotal 166.50 level. That can hold, then the focus stays on 168. As for dollar yen, just quickly looking at that chart, you can see there's a bunch of resistance here. It comes in around 10270-ish. So that is your level to watch on the upside. And if you can see here, we have a higher low, and the importance of this higher low is because we can break these highs here. We now go into basically a mini uptrend that could focus back up to 102, 105 area, or 103, 105 really. So that's where the dollar yen goes. Looking at the euro dollar, which is closest to a key level right now. Looking at the daily chart, you have we now, I pointed out last week the downtrend line was broken. Now we have an uptrend line. Everybody's looking at the same level. It comes in around 130. It's really 137.39, but I'm saying 137.40. This chart shows a gap to 137.57, and the major resistance is not to 138.90. So obviously on the upside, we have one and the 2000. We show the 2014 high at 137.72. And our charts could show a gap there, but I would say if you're looking at the 137.40 level is most important, then you probably have 137.50 to 80, which kind of encompasses this area here, and then 138 on the upside. This level probably being very difficult to take out, as might be 138, but right now the market has its radar set at 137.40. There are probably some stops there. On the downside, you really don't run into anything serious until I think it's around 135.62 or so. So really, if you look at what's going on, we've traded 137 really the past 3 days. That's the key level. If you look on the 4-hour chart, and probably similarly on the 1-hour chart, that 136.92 level is a key support here as the base for this last, I call it inch up move to the 137. Looks over a little over 137.31 right now. And the 1-hour chart shows something similar, although in the 1 hour, the key level here I would say would be 137.07 on a intraday chart, because that's the level it needs to hold to keep the momentum going up. So where we stand right now, 137.40 is the key level. Everybody's looking at it. It's on just about everybody's charts. There are probably some stops above there, and that's where many shorts will throw in the towel. Why is the euro dollar bid out of its crosses more than versus the dollar? And for whatever reason, it shook off the ZEW. We have some data out of the U.S. probably going to be on the weak side, and I will discuss my macro view. Probably maybe I'll do that for tomorrow's video. We're coming back from a 3-day week, and it's really 137 or 40 or bust for the euro today. If it doesn't take it out, we go back to 137. If it could take it out, it then has to clear 137.50 to try to fully fill that gap from the opening of the year, and really on top, probably 138 is the key level. So while we're up here, I said out of crosses. Watch US data, probably going to be on the weak side because of weather. We have one more snowstorm here in the Northeast before the weather breaks, and we get some warm weather coming in the rest of this week. So perhaps the worst of the winter is over. So good luck trading, and we will touch base later on GBI Forex.